Hey guys, showing you this double road clothes garment rack, portable clothing rack for hanging clothes with wheels. Here's a rolling clothes rack with the Oxford cloth rack. So it's easy assembly. So let's see. This is I'm doing the unboxing right now. These are the all stuff, instructions, how to install. These are the all parts. So tools, wheels, all the side parts and everything. So these are the all parts in the box. You can match it with the manual. That with everything is there. And then there's a instructions how to install it. So let's start installation, so you know how this thing will go. So installation is pretty straightforward. You have to match the holes with the holes and the part numbers. So there are only two screws types most of the time, and everything is supplied like the screwdriver or the wrench and everything. So one by one I will just install all these things, and you can see here the numbers and the screws can be easily seen and matched. So you can just put on the appropriate screws here. I think the small screws, so the small screws will go in these, and uh, with that thing you can just do it. Just tighten the screw. So once this is all installed, you can see all the different parts and the numbers, so you can match it with the manual. And also you can see like these fabrics and stuff. So I just join these parts initially, and then you have to put these rods into the fabric just to create. And after the installation, you can see like this comes like this. So I put in the wheels, I put in all these attachments on the top parts. You can lock these wheels as well. So all these type of things are all installed. So the fabric with the two layer, you can see here, for holding the hangers. So here you can see that after the installation with the wheels, you can put in the shoes here, box here, and then two tier for the hangers, so for the clothes. So it's a ample storage for the clothes as well as for the different hangers and everything. So basically a nice thing for the clothes storage and your shoe storage.